So yes, today we learn the IMA. We finish. So now the amu. So that amu also, but that amu is ended in the u. So that is different from the dot declension. So but mostly the same as the those now ended in the u, like a guru. In some cases, a little bit different. So that is why for that. So today we will learn that one. So amu mean such or so such and such. So that one also will be three gender, but mostly the same actually, even the three gender, or just in instrumental data genitive ablative, locative singular will be different. The others are the same. So mostly, so it is declined as oop stem. So that means for the in masculine, so like a group. So in neuter, so like a so jaku and so feminine, so like yagu. So okay, for that one now. So this one is for masculine. So okay, for the one. So a move and then C just a move like a group. Here group. And for plural also, in plural, so a move, only a move form. But for guru is guru, but one more form is garawo, but no another form. No garawo, no amawo form, only amu. So that is different. And then for the accusative case also, just amu and the so we have the amo form. So that one also like a garo or singular, the same, you see. But for plural also only amu form. But guru is like a guru and the one more form. So garawo, no more amawo form. And then so amuna, that one also the same as the garuna. And then here, so amuhi, amubi, the same as the so garuhi, garubi. Okay. And then for the deity and genitive also, amosa, amuno, the same. So garosa, garuno. Okay. And then here, so this one is pronoun. That is why for deity and genitive, so just amusan, amusane. But here, just garuna. Okay, that form. So these forms are different from the garu, you see. And here also, no, amo form. Only amo form. No amo form. So that is different from the garu. And then for the Benjamin also amusama and the amoma. Maybe the other form amuna. Yeah. So here, Garu Sama, so Garo Ma, and Garuna. Okay. So the same for the plural also. Amuhi, Amubi here. So Garuhi, Garubi. And then, so Amusame, Amomi. And for so Garusame, so Garomi. And then for plural, so Amusu. Here, Garusu. So here amu, but we have the one form, asu. So for this form, we need to learn asu. So that one is this sabda. No, different from the, garu form. So this asu. Here you see amosa mosa. Amusa dasa anabosakasa Magaro Sagara Mabijitewa Semi Vibete Mi. So when see Vibete so follows Amusa Dasa Anabosakasa Magaro. So the letter Ma of, so Dawa Amu. So Anabosakasa, which is not neuter gender. So becomes Sa. Sakara Mabijite becomes Sa. So when Siwibeti follows, so the letter Ma of Amu, so becomes Sa. So that is why here Amu and the Si. So here Ma becomes Sa, but this Si will be dropped. So that is why just Asu. So that is why according to Zoda number 173, so 173, Asu form. Yeah, for the masculine, only this form we need to know. So Asu form. The others are the same. No more different form. And then for the neuter, so that Asu form is, here you see, which is not neuter gender. So that means this one will be, so masculine and the feminine, two genders, Asu form. Okay. But for so neuter gender, so the rest are exactly the same as the like a yagu, 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 yo. And so amu yo also. Okay, that one. So we will copy this chart again. Now for the feminine gender, so for the feminine gender, the same, but here, instead of the, for the feminine gender is the same as the yagu, just yagu. But here, for the, yagu, amu yo, like yagu yo. So this remark not necessary for the feminine gender. Will be so yagu and the yagu yo. Okay. So among is the same, like here yago. Okay. Here also amu yo. This remark not necessary. Okay. And then here amuna, but feminine gender, that is just amuya, like a yaguya. And then amuhi, like a, yaguhi, the same. So yaguhi. And then here amosa, no, but just amuya. So the same as the, yaguya. Okay. Here also will be just amuya. Here also amuya. But for the located case, we have the amuya, like a yaguya. The same, actually. Mm. Okay. And then for the plural is exactly the same as the here, yaguhi, yagubi, and then yaguhi, yagubi, and here yagusu. Only here amusan, but so yagunan, just that form. That is, so pronoun and the vowel and the noun different between them. You see. So that is why, only this form. And then now for the neuter, so neuter is exactly the same as this masculine, but one more form we need to learn. So according to this, so the amosado. Okay, amosado. Oh, sorry. This one is neuter. So neuter is the same as the just jaku. Here, amu. So, okay, here jaku. Here also like a amuni, like a jakuni. Just to know. Here amo like jako. Okay. Here amuni. So like a jakuni. Just jaku. And the jakusu. The same. For the singular also here jakuna instead of, but the rest are the same, just to see. So jakosa. So Jakku no. So Jakku sama. Jakku ma. So Jakku na in this way. So Jakku same. So Jakku me, you see. But one more rule, one more form is adore. So in the accusative case also, we have the adore. Okay. These two forms. The rest are the same, exactly the same as the. So for that adore, we need to learn this. So that 1, 3, 8. So the meaning of 1, 3, 8. So amosa do. Sabasewa amusadesa sawivadesa. So adore ade so hoti. So adore ade so hoti. Ansisu nabosake wadamanasa. Okay, so this nabosake wadamanasa is connected with the Salvedesa Amusadasa Salvedesa. So that is here. So when and see vivati, so follow. So adon ade so hoti. Adon is so substituted for sabasiwa, the entire word, amu, nabosake wadamanasa, so which is in the neuter gender. In this way. So and C follows. Adon is substituted for the entire word amu. Oh, so entire word amu. So salvedesa. So together with. So and C vibhati. Okay, so now the meaning of that one. So amu, so, but that is new in the neuter gender. And then C. So it becomes adore. So the entire word, including the C vibhati. So to amu, neuter gender, and the becomes the same from adore. So including C vibhati in this way can be understood. So that is why here for the adore form, so the number. So 1, 3, 8. Here also 1, 3, 8. So just that is different. The rest are the same. So adore form, one more form adore. in the Pratama Vibhati singular and Dutiya Vibhati singular. And then, so dative and the genitive plural, amusa, amusana, bajakuna. So in this way, so different between vowel and then noun and the those pronoun. So now those general rule we have already learned that. And then, so now this sutta is for the word came. So came is actually, even though in Pali grammar, stem is came, what or who, question. So that one also can be three gender. So masculine, neuter, and the feminine. Even though stem is came, but in decline form. So we never use that K form, only the God form. So God form. For that information, this subject we need to learn. So for that information here, K Ejidasa Koja Hodi Wa Bijaye Bare. So firstly, so when the suffix, so what follows, there is God for the God for K. Okay. This one is about the what surface, for when what surface follow. Not about the case ending directly. Okay, so that means here example, so gain and the what surface, but this K so become the gut, and also that gut also by dropping the up, only the gut. So that is finally qua. There was a WhatsApp is in the located case. So qua gadosi don diwanambia desa. So the meaning of that is, so diwanambia desa is a name of the king. So diwanan, so bia desa. So qua gadosi. So where do you go? Where are you going to? So where are you going to? That is the meaning of this example. So here you see qua. Okay. Now the meaning of that one is here where in this way. But here you see Jagahanina a wabiji brebi koja hoti. So Godan Nindi to Marhati Katan body don't damn here go. So go gangi and so on. So that is why we need to learn one. So by so taking ja. So even though or even when the so what the suffix wa awa biji or Also, when others awabiji paripit. So other awabiji, not the surface wa. Follows kohodi. So koja hodi, there is also ka or k. In this way can be understood. Maybe even when other not what surface. So that means not only the what, but also the any other case ending or surface. Here call me nominated case C, but I'm already but katami just turn surface, not what surface follow, those game become the ka. So in this way can be understood. So ka for the K. So after that, this ka form so can be declined exactly the same as the ta. And so it is so declined completely. So the same as ta. So in this way can be. So now only came to the ka. So according to this rule. So the number 227. So 227. So we okay. And also for some like saba ko ya ko sa ko amu ko asu ko. Actually, after the this rule also very general. Not only the so commonly we already know that in Pali easy one form. So explained in Pali easy. Okay, this one is Ida. So at then pronoun go your indefinite pronoun iti. Yeah. So here, so for this form here, so most often the suffix ka is added to the asu or aku, asu and amu, and then asu go amu go. So after that, it can be declined like a masculine and neuter gender ending in the a. So in feminine gender, asuki, amuki in this way. So in Parliament is only after the amuka can be added. But according to the Gijana, sabado, sabanamado, after all pronouns. That is here sabako, yako, sako, amuko, and the asuko also. That is different from the Parliament easy. Okay, so that is also for the only nominated singular. See? So when see we read D, so follows. So sabado, sabanama do. After all So pronouns. So kakara kamohoti. The letter ka is inserted. After all pronouns. So that is why, sabba, after that ka is inserted, and then si vibhati. So sabba ko. So to, ya, after that ka is inserted, and then so si vibhati. So ya ko, and then and so on. The other are also like here, sa ko means da chinity sa, the amu ko, and the asu ko also ma chinity sa. But here, so Buna Sabado Gahanena, Inyasamabi Kakara Gamohoti. So Buna Sabado Gahanena. So by taking. So Dawa Sabado again. By taking again. Dawa Sabado. Okay. So just Inyasmabi. So after others' term also. So the letter Ka is inserted. So that is here. So he na, after that Ka is added, no more meaning. And they would see with that D. So he na or he na also inferior, he na go also inferior. The same as the he no in meaning. So bo da after that Ka is inserted, and then see with that D. So bo da go, and also like a asa horse. After that, ka is inserted, and then see we read the. So asa go, asa also horse, asa go also horse. So the same meaning actually, even though ka just filawa, ka is filawa in this way. Not only the pronoun, but also in other term, also in Pali. So such a letter can be inserted, like a manuso or manusako, like that. Manusako, manusako. Manusa, after that, ka is added. And then si. So manu, sako, human. Manuso also human being, manusako also human being in this way. Okay, so now we finish the pronoun system for declension. So now let's go to the Sankhya number system. So for the number, actually the first number is Eka. Okay, Eka. But that eka is exactly the same as the da. So for example, here, so da became the sa. So some more example. So eka and the si. So we have the ego. And also, da and this. So like it so. You see? And then for the plural also, iki. So ika and the yo. So become the iki. Not ika like a Buddha. So that is also like a D form. Okay. So the rest are also the same, exactly the same. Just to know. That is why for the feminine gender also, that is neuter gender. So then now ika. Here D dani. So iki, ikani will be like this. Okay, so the same, the other are also the same. And for the feminine gender are also. For the feminine gender also here da for feminine, but ika, you see. Here da yo, it also will be ika, yo. Here daya dasa desa, but for sorry. So ikaya and so just ikisaya, like desaya. So that is why we don't have the ikasa, just ikisa. So that one is the same as the last form. So ikisa, ikaya, ikisa, but we don't have the ikasa. Okay, and also they are also the same actually. So ikasan and the ika, sa, nan, and so. So the rest are also the same actually. So that is why. So if we understand the da, so ika also can be understood. No more special form. So that is why in the Kijana, not talking about the ika declension, just talking about the dui. So that is in this so that yosu dui nan dui ja. Okay, and then so this yours okay for now this dui. So here in Pali in Kijana, so 80 is feminine gender. So Buma is masculine gender. Nabosaka is feminine gender. So this dui, according to Gijayana idea, so can be masculine, neuter, and the feminine. But so actually, in the Western scholars idea, so genderless. So genderless mean so no more different form in no more different form based on gender. But that is a genderless. So in this way, can be understood. So that is here the gender or genderless the same actually. So that is here in the before learning the declension. So dui ATO. ATO is women, two women. So Dui, just Dui form. So this Dhamma is Dhammo Dhamma. So this one is Dui Dhamma. You see? So that one is masculine gender. So here 80, here 80, feminine gender. Here Bhuma, masculine, here Bhuma, masculine gender. So here Nabonsaka, here Nabonsaka, Dui, Rupani. The same form you see, that is why. Even though in Gijana say 80 Bhuma, the gender, but the same form, no more different. So no more different form based on the gender. So that is a Western scholar, Western Pali grammar, and they consider this one as genderless, and this it can be. So that is why here, so only that one we will focus on the that. One form, I mean. The now declension of the doi. So only plural form. Okay. Dhamma. So Dutiya. So Tatiya. Okay. So Bhattama and Dutiya should be one chart. The same. And then so Tatiya and the so Benjamin also one called one rule. And then so Jadoti and the Chatti also one rule and the now so Satami. So we put D. Okay. So even though masculine, according to this Atipuma, also the same. Neuter and the so feminine. Only the plural form. Okay. So now Yosu Dwainan Duija. So Yosu Dwainan Duija. Okay, firstly, Yosu Dwainan Duija. So now the meaning of this sutta, let's try to understand. So Dwainan Sinkhyanan Etipuma Nabonsake Wada Mananan Sawivedinan Dwe Hodi Yo Ejite Su. So when your HGT, so your Vibhati follows, oh sorry for what? So now the meaning of this sutta. So your HGT, so that means when your Vibhati follows, so Dvaina Sankhya Vada Savadina Dve Hoti. So Dve Hoti. So there is Dve. So Dvaina Sankhya. So for so Dve Sankhya, that is number. And then Itibuma Nabonseki Vada Manane. Savadina is so which is Itibuma Nabonseki Vada Manane. So which is in the so masculine, so neuter and so feminine gender. The feminine genders. So actually, so together with your Vibhati. When your follows, so there is Dui form for the Dui. So together with the your Vibhati in all genders, so in this way can be understood. So that is why here, so Dui and the your, so together becomes the Dui. So Dui, but together with the your Vibhati. Okay. So here for the this also just Dui form. Okay. Just Dui form. But for the Tadiya Panchami, So actually dui. So after that the he. So like a vowel ending now. So just long one. So this it become long. Like a muni he muni bi. So dui he. And then so dui bi. So the same. Here also dui he. And then dui bi. Here also dui he. So dui bi. That is a no special rule we need to learn. And for the Chadoti and the Chatti, or for example, so now for the Satami also. For the Satami, actually Dui and the Su. So now short one become long like a Suna Hisuja. So Suna Hisuja. So that is one Dui Su. Here also Dui Su. For family also, Dui Su, you see. So that is here only for the nominative case plural and the detergenitive plural. So nominative case plural, we need to learn that one. So this doi form. So that's doi is according to the so that number. So 1, 3, 2. One, three, two. And then, so for the dative and the genitive, so actually dui and the nan. So according to the Sunahi Suja, it should be like a dui su, dui hi, dui bi. So here also should be duina, but not like that. So just duina in this way. So that is for this duina. So we need to learn one rule. No, one more knot is added. One more knot is for that one. So the number 67. Not finished yet. Okay, so this soda not finished yet. So, but after learning this soda, we will go again to the, so go steady again that. So 1, 3, 2. Now this, so noja dwadi do nami. So dwi iji dasa. So dwi iji wa marido sankhya do agara gamo hoti. So nami vivate mi. Nagara gamo hoti nami vivate mi. So the meaning of this. So nami vivate mi. So when nan so vivate follows. So nagara gamo hoti, the letter na is inserted. So dwi ejiwa madido sankhya do. So after the number, so dwi ejiwa madido adido number dwi, etc. Not only after the dwi, but also the other Dviti, Jatu, and so on. So followed by Namvibati. When Namvibati follows, so one letter Na is inserted. So after the Dvi, etc. means no Dvi, Di, so Jatu, etc. Okay, so because now that is why here for this form, so this Na is inserted. That is so the number here 67. Hmm. But we have the one more form. So one more form is so do Wayne Nan. Okay, do Wayne. And here also do Wayne Nan. And here also do Wayne Nan. Okay. For this form, so for this form, here, so the number 1, 3, 2. So Jagahanina, so do we, Dwaya, Uba, Ubaya, do we Jahondi. So Yona, so Yona, actually one more Nan. So, okay, to understand simply. So Yona and Ejitesu. Yona and Ejitesu. So now the meaning of that one we need to learn. So that is Jagahanina. So by taking Ja, Yona and Ejitesu. When Yo Na and Nan liberties follow. Hondi. So there are, so do we, so Dwaya, and then Uba, so Ubaya, do we forms for Dwi. Okay, so now, okay, the other one I will explain later. Yona and Ejidis. here your, okay, now we are learning the dative genitive name. So actually, respectively, firstly, we need to understand. So here, dui, according to Kijana idea, dui and the yo, so become do we, and then dui and the and, so become the, so DHAMMA. Here, respected example, you see. So do with Pyamana, do with Jana, and the sorry, yeah, Dwaye, not Dwaye. And then so Dwi and the Na become the, so Dwaye na. And then so Ubaye san, Ubayna, Ubaye san. So Dwi and the Nan, we have the okay, just explaining the Gijana idea Ubayna. So that is one form. And then so Dwi and the Nam become the Ubayna, Ubayesa. Ubayesa. And then so Dwi and the Nan become the, Du Wei Nan. So in this way, Gijana explained. So actually, so here, step by, even though Gijana, there is shortcut explained. So Dwi, this Dwi, between them, U is inserted. Do we? And then, so this yo is changed to the A. So this R will be dropped. This E will be dropped. So in this way can be understood. And then, so here, for the Dwaya and the Dwayana, I will explain later. But here, Ubainan. So Dwi, actually, the meaning of Dwi is two. But the meaning of Uba is actually both. So two and both are not the same actually. Two mean two things, separate things. But both mean, maybe they are working together, some the unity can be understood. Two mean, two things, two items, one book, or just two things, just focusing on the number of things. But both mean unity of two things. That is couple, one. So two can refer to the one woman, one man, but they are not related to each other. But both mean, so both of them, they are couple, so like a husband and wife, or parent, or something like that. So left and right, or male and female, so they are related as a pair or something. So different actually. So that is why in Bhararubhasati is commentary of the Kijayana. So in Bhararubhasati, Uba is just Uba stem, not coming from the Dwi. But Kijayana explained in this way, shortcut. So Uba is coming from the, changing from the Dwi, something like that. So that is why, this one is just Kijana idea, these two forms. So Dwaina or Ubaya also the same. Ubaya also both actually. So in Kijana, such a weak point we can learn. So different meaning. So to here, so do we mean two? We already know that. But so Dwaina mean DHAMMA means the twofold. So here, so too, so dwi mean two, but so DHAMMA mean by twofold. So actually, that one also should be understood. So after the dwi, so we add the R suffix, that is datida suffix. So adjective, so dwi mean two. This R suffix mean fold. So because of this R, E became the A became the Aya. So that is why we have the Dwaya. So Dwaya means twofold. After that, with the so now we bet D and so on. So this one should be understood like this. So now it's changed to the A now. So Dwaya. Not directly do we change to the Dwaya. So here also the same in this way. That is why this Dwayan also get Jana idea. So Dwayana also just get Jana idea. Just Ubaina also changing from the so just get Jana idea. But not so acceptable, not so reasonable, I mean. So that is why. So so according to the Gijana idea, this uba or uba is changing from the dwi. So the meaning of that one also should be two, up to, not both. The meaning of that one is both. Uba is also just for dative, for both or of both. Should be the same in meaning, but not like that. Not of two. Because of that point. So uba is uba stand, ubia is ubia stand, not dwi. So dwi is just dwayna and the duwayna, like that. So that is why according to this soda, so we have the one more form dwayna, you see. Point we are learning is this form dwayna. So dwayna is according to the soda number 132. 132. So and the watch up. So in this way can be understood. And also here, instead of the dui, so we have the dui form. Also by the waja. So dui and the dui in the gender. We do we in this way. So that is why actually in the sense of two, only the plural form. But these examples are actually here. So dwayena, because in the sense of two, four, that is singular. So this An is accusative case singular, na is instrumental case singular. So actually with the DHAMMA form, in the sense of two, only plural form can be declined. Only plural form can be declined. Let's see. And also this upbaina, ubayisan are also just the separate stand in the Badaruba Seti. That is, okay, now let's see. So Badaruba Seti. In the Badaruba Seti Nama chapter, Olenga, Oka, 18, that's that diet, sorry. Under the Alenga. So, Alenga, Dorman say Mijana, Sasando Shaman, oh, sorry. Sabanama. Nibadika. Oh, no. So, or is different. Yeah, you see. Here under the pronoun in the Padaruba Seti. So Sabba, Kadara, Kadama, Uba. Here you see one word, Ubaya also separated. And Idara, Enya, Boba. And then the other one. So Doma, here Uba also separated. But Dwi is Dwi. So that is, so Sada with the Sabba Namani, there are 27 pronouns. Sada with the Sabba Namani. So Ubaya also one pronouns. So Uba also one pronoun separated from the Dwi, not coming from the Dwi. So in this way, that is Padaruba Seti. Okay, just for reference. So that is when this So uba, that is coming from the uba. Even in the Kijana also, one more rule we need to learn. Okay, so now, we finish all three form. But one form connected with that, the uba. So uba do not main name. Oh, I already copy here. Okay. So even though in this sutta, so in this sutta, so dui is changed to the uba in this way, saying. So the meaning of this sutta is dui changed to the uba. And then here, so dui changed to the ubaya. But one sutta also, even in the Kijana itself. Okay, here. So ubadi do not main name. No ja dwadi do name. Okay, connected with this one. So here, uba ichyo amari do sinkhya do nan wajanasa einan hoti. So after the number uba, so etc. So there is einan for Navibeti. So einan for Navibeti. So the meaning of this sutta, so after the uba, when we use the nan, so this nan is changed to the a nan after that. So this r will be dropped. That is why ube nan in this way can be understood. So that is for this form, ube nan. So maybe firstly uba we change to the uba. After that nan is changed to the a nan. So we have the ube nan. So maybe so we change to the uba according to some previous sutta in this way. Kijana. Okay, but for the ubaya not explained. Only the here ubaya san. Ubaya san is just ubaya. So nan is changed to the san after the pronoun. And then so here is changed to the a in this way. So sabadona sansa sansa suika maybe some Kabado Saminsana Sansa or Samsota. R is changed to the after the pronoun we have already learned out. So that is why actually so this dui is only for the plural form. But in Gijana in this way explain one. So but in Gijana explanation both form like a THOAI and the THOAI even though singular form, but meaning is not true. twofold or by twofold with the instrumental case. So that dwaya is not the synonymous to the dwi. Actually, that is a primary, secondary derivative form of the dwi. So dwi, so dvinana samuho dwaya. So even in the Kijana also, we can find that one. Okay. So for reference, under the Dadita chapter, Dvinana samuho dwaya. Even in the Kijana. So in the Dadita chapter, I think. Okay. Dvinana samuho dwaya. No, found it. Or maybe if not in Kijana. So maybe a Padaruba city also that form. Okay, right. Yeah, you see. Dvinana samuho dwaya. So combination of two or collection of two. Collection of two is dwaya. That means both. Dvinana samuho dwaya. Samuhatikana in the sense of combination, in the sense of unity. So the self is na is added. So in this way, Dvinana samuho dwaya. So here this didi adina ikarasa ayat is each into the ayat. So that is when dwaya in this way can be. So Dvinana samuho dayan, like a yadana dayan. So that is, twofold, threefold, like the adjectives. So Dvinana samuho. Okay. So that is why. So dwaya is not synonymous form of the synonym of the two dwi. Okay, so now today we finished the dwi. After that, so tomorrow we will learn the other numbers like a banja and the dijitu and the banja and so on. That one also not so many here, only 2 or 3, 4. So after that we will go to the consonant and then nouns. Okay, so let's start for today by saying sadhu. So sadhu, sadhu.